Beanvest app pricing explained what you get for your money. Beanvest is an app designed to simplify investing for beginners and busy professionals alike. Many people assume that apps like this hide fees, but Beanvest keeps its pricing transparent and easy to understand. The app is free to download and offers basic account management at no cost. For investing, Beanvest charges a monthly subscription which includes automated portfolio management, goal tracking, and personalized recommendations. There are no trading commissions and deposits or withdrawals are free, making it very beginner-friendly. Most people get this wrong by thinking low-cost apps compromise on features. The surprising truth is that Beanvest provides portfolio diversification across its real-time performance tracking and automatic rebalancing even at the monthly rate. For example, if you invest zero, Beanvest automatically allocates your funds based on your risk profile and adjusts allocations as markets shift. In conclusion, Beanvest offers a low-cost, transparent way to start investing, combining simplicity with powerful automation, making it ideal for anyone looking to grow their wealth without hidden fees.